Hey everybody, Kevin here from Humble Craftworks. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to get your finish as smooth as possible when you brush it on by hand, which doesn't always happen. If you're using oil-based polyurethane, water-based polyurethane, or oil-based spar varnish like I'm using here, sometimes you get stuff in your finish that it sucks. So today we're going to show you a little trick on how to smooth out your finish. It costs you no money. You probably have got another one. Probably have all this stuff laying around the house anyway, since you use Amazon like everybody else in the world does. So you'll be like, oh, I can use that for this, make it all smooth, and it's like, oh, I don't have to sand it out and refinish it. I could just do this. What the hell? I've never heard of that before. Maybe you have, and if you have, let me know. And if you haven't, let me know. And if it works for you, let me know. Let's get to the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. It's been a busy day. Look, fruit flies again. See them right there? Fruit flies. As soon as I come out here, spark up the lacquer thinner to clean my brush a little bit. They all come out of the woodwork. Here's what we finished yesterday. It looks beautiful. The only thing I will say is it's a little bit, I wouldn't know if rough is the word. It's not as smooth. So I'm gonna talk about a few things that you can use to actually make this smooth without sanding it again. And it's kind of like sanding. Even on the third coat, I'll do this because it's dusty in here and the bugs land in it. All the things that happen when you gotta wait 2.5 hours for your finish to dry happen. The fan blows, a little dust goes by, a bug lands in it. You know how it goes. It's always So what we don't want to do is hit it with a 3M pad again because we're going to scratch it up. We don't want to sand it with 320 because we're going to scratch it up. We just want to take off the little rough edges. There's several ways you can do that. One I don't have here because I can't find the damn thing. But if anybody buys anything on Amazon, you buy stuff on Amazon, right? It comes in little boxes like this. It comes with this crap on the inside if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, you get a bunch of plastic. This right here is the same thing I'm going to show you over here that I got from the store, because you can still get them in the store where I live, but you can also use this. What is that? It's just packaging, right? It's like a brown paper bag, kind of similar, but it's a little bit more flimsy, kind of rough right here. If you take this and just rub it with the grain 3 or 4 times, it gets a little chalky on there, right? If you feel this now, it's smooth. I can feel exactly where I stopped, right here. This works really well. It doesn't scratch your finish. It just takes off all the crap that's on the outside of it, okay? That works amazing. You can feel it now and it's freaking smooth. This is also the same way. I didn't do this with this at all, so I'm gonna rub it down here. Just go with the grain, do a couple of them. You can see it makes it a little shiny, it's got a little whiteness on it, but those are smooth compared to these two, which feel just a little rough. If you're having a problem where it feels like I got a little sand in there, or I got a pubic hair, or a fly leg, or some wings, whatever, this packing material that you get for free, right, from the Amazon, this works, okay? Now, the one thing I don't have that I really like is rosin paper. That red rosin paper that you use, put on the floors to keep all the dirt off or whatever when you're doing construction work. Well, that stuff works even better than this because it's a little thicker. If you have a big blob of something and you don't really know what to do with it, rub down harder. I mean, it takes it off. This will get shiny and smooth and turn a little white, but man, that feels really good. Now I'm gonna tell you another secret. Squeaky chair. And it won't come out. It's full of sawdust. Oh, there it goes. Cut the lid off the box. Give it a little smushy smush. Just a little bit, not too much. Rub it on there. If you don't believe me, try it. You don't have to push super hard, but this works the same damn way. And if it gets a little sticky in places, it's probably not dry enough. You can rub this on there, just like so. It makes it smooth. These have been dry for probably 2 weeks. And you just pipe it on there like that. Give it a feel. Oh, holy crap, it's amazing. So you can use the damn stuffing from the inside of the box from Amazon for free. You can use the box itself. Just smush it up a little bit so it's a little bit softer than normal. Don't use any ink or whatever. Use the side that doesn't have a bunch of shit on it. If you don't believe me, give it a shot. This is like sandpaper, like 50,000 grit. But it works really good. If you have a little flow spot, that's like, I got a little one right here, just rub it. The old rub job. I like that, Jimmy. This wood, not your wood. God, what the hell's wrong with you? Cardboard box, smush it up a little bit. Don't use the black ink side because that's liable to come off. It makes it feel like a baby's butt, smooth. Here's the last thing right here. You see the theme? Cardboard, brown paper bag. You can still get these at Safeway. Crap. Brown paper bag works the best. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. It feels a little coarse. All right, it's a little rough right here. And we're just gonna rub it with the grain. Just a little bit, don't go crazy. Rub it a few times, see how it feels. Oh, If it starts to grow, stop rubbing it.
What?
Brown paper bag works actually the best. Cardboard box works really good. This will take off all the overspray, the garbage that's on there, bug wing parts, whatever. This works great, and you can feel it. It's like, holy crap, it feels like a brand new thing. So there you go. If you're having problems with bar varnish, oil-based polyurethane, even water-based polyurethane, if you're having lacquer overspray or whatever, this works. Works really well without leaving scratch marks or anything. There's no scratch marks on this. It doesn't scratch. At least I've never seen it scratch. Don't push so hard that you're burning the finish. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think down below. Always go with the grain. Just make sure it's dry before you do this and not like, oh, it's been 2 hours, here we go. No, you gotta let it sit for 24 hours, okay? All right, Jimmy? And stop playing with your wood back there. Brown paper bag's not for your wood, it's for your project. Makes it nice and smooth and beautiful. All right, everybody, well, there you go. Thanks for watching. You have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.
The end.
Subscribe now.